We are joined by the depositors who had invested their lifetime savings in Guru Raghavendra Bank and Vasishta Bank. In the year 2023, the Congress government, Siddaramaiah, had handed over the case to CBI, but till date, according to an RTI report that has come out, the Central Bureau of Investigation has not yet picked up the case. So we are joined by the depositors of these two banks to get their take, to learn more about their grievances. Sir, thank you so much for talking to India Today. You have invested your lifetime savings in Guru Raghavendra Bank, where we are standing in. Take us through your your grievances on it, because till date the CBI has not picked up the investigation. So as a depositor, how do you feel?
It is actually, if that case is given to the CBI, then we will come to know how the money is diverted. So that is not known to us. So that is the problem. Actually, there is some utilization of funds are there because of failure of banking system. So that audit problem is also there. Everything is there. So everything is combined. So now CBI, if they investigate, at least we will come to know where the funds has gone.
But they've till date not picked up the case.
Yes, till now that CBI has not picked up the tape. Only they have given to the CID and SIT, I think mostly. SIT, no, CID. CID only they have given.
But as a depositor, how does this make you feel? Your trust in the system?
Because our funds are blocked and we are not getting interest.
How much had you invested?
So I have invested about 25 lakhs.
Okay. Till date, you've not received even a single penny back.
Only 5 lakhs rupees I have received as a DICGC amount. Because that RBI has got a subsidiary of DICGC, that 5 lakhs is only received.
Are you somewhere let down or disappointed by the fact that the CBI, which was supposed to investigate this case, has still not touched the files?
Actually, they have to investigate. I don't know whether the state government has communicated or not. That internal things I don't know. So if they have communicated, why they have not taken up the case? That is the problem now. Okay. But as per the RTI, so they have not taken up the case.
So you have also invested lakhs of rupees in Guru Raghavendra Bank, in Vasishta Bank.
Vasishta, it's not a bank. Let me clarify. It is Vasishta Sauharda Credit Society. Okay. It doesn't come under RBI guidelines, whereas Guru Raghavendra comes. But that is also registered under Cooperative Society Act. So with that belief, we have invested there. But unfortunately, we have been fighting since 2 years to hand over this case to CBI. With lot of difficulty during that BJP government, S.T. Somsekhar, when he was the corporation minister, he told he will be handing over. But during their regime, they told, but they didn't hand over. But last, when Siddaramaiah government, Congress government came into power, in the month of December, they have given a notification, that details I will share with you, stating that it is being handed over to CBI. 3 entities, Guru Raghavendra Bank, Vasishta Sauharda, and Guru Saurabhama one is there, like cooperative society there. 3 have been in. And we are waiting for whether we will get any information. 3 months we just kept quiet because during that time elections were on the pipeline, so we thought let election. After election also we didn't get any this thing. Then meanwhile, as this thing of Vasishta cooperative, this thing Sauharda, our president wrote a letter directly to CBI. CBI means Department of Personnel Administration. It comes under that. They given a letter stating that also I'll share to you, that they say under single window system we have not received. What do they mean by single window system? We are not able to understand. So we kept quiet. That also had passed after 4 months. In the month of April we are given. Last month we got a reply. Based upon that, again one person in Guru Raghavendra Bank, he wrote to under RTA Act to our Ganganagar CBI. They also told we have not received. We have been frequently making trips to Guru Raghavendra and Vasishta, both depositors have been going to CBI and inquiring. They are telling that still now we have not got clarity, instructions from Delhi.
How much had you invested, sir?
Around 20 lakhs.
Are you somewhere disappointed or let down in the system?
Yeah, definitely. See, a common man believes in the government, whatever government is there, whether it is BJP or Congress, irrespective of the... We are to be protected, or we ought to be protected by the government, whichever government is in power, whether state or central. So when government doesn't come to the rescue of the depositors, then whom should we go and approach? Okay, and it is taking a long time since Guru Raghavendra 2019, sorry, and Vasishtha since 2020. 4 years, nothing has moved. And SIT also, they promised that they'll be doing it, but SIT has also not started. So the depositors are clueless and don't know what to do next. Whether we should go for agitation, I am unable to this thing. But we, to your media, we request the government, whether a central or state government, to look into the plight of the depositors and please do some justice. Then only we come to know. CID they have handed over, but nothing has come out till now. So we ask for a CBI so that it will be an impartial image. And moreover, if it is through other states also, CID doesn't have a command or jurisdiction over other states. If amount has been diverted to other states also, CBI has a definitely pan India, they can do it. And in Guru Raghavendra, some 200 depositors till now they have expired. They have not seen their hard-earned money back. In Vasishtha, 30 to 40 people deposit, all 70, 75, 80 have died. I don't know still how much it is going to take a toll, we are not able to understand.
Thank you, sir.
We request through your media that government should wake up at least now. They are burdened with so many problems. That is one issue. But these depositors are all senior citizens. Our hard-earned money we have invested only for sake of some interest, and it is not a fake entities and all. It is recognized by government, state government. Guru Raghavendra is governed by RBI government. Cooperative Society Vasishtha is governed by Cooperative Society Act. They are given registration number. Every year they conduct the fees for renewal. So in spite of all this, people get confidence because they registered. We have not invested in a organization where it is not registered.
And we don't know what happened to this CBI. They are telling the CBI, we are given to CBI since nearly 6 months. And after that, government has also changed. We expected some better things from this Congress government, and it was discussed in Assembly also. Recently also, Siddaramaiah, our Honorable Chief Minister, he gave a list of all the frauds done during this BJP government. And in that list, there was, I think, 22nd or 23rd name. This bank was very prominently, he told.
So, but till date, CBI has not picked up the case despite the state government handing over. So, are you somewhere let down?
Actually, that people, that means the central government telling something about this state government, and the state government putting blame on central government. And the main thing is ordinary people and the senior citizens who are depositors, who have kept their hard-earned money. They are suffering very much. And really, they are actually, I should not use this word, but it is a really very pitiable condition they are living right now. And as this gentleman, senior citizen, told, already so many people with a lot of hopes and expectations, they have passed away. And God only knows how many people will see their hard-earned money, and what percentage also they are unable to expect. What we at least we suggest is at least they can do some percentage or something like that with all the discussion and all, instead of keeping everyone in dark. Telling them that we will give you so much or something like that, and we will solve this problem, that problem, something like that, so that at least in future, whatever they get, that hard-earned money by their sweat and their life, at least in future they can plan something with that returned money. That much we can say. Simply coming here, seeing their plight, including my personal experience also, I am telling you. Because my mother has kept this money, and not my mother, it was my father. He is expired, and naturally, and daily she asks, what happened? Will I see my money during my lifetime? Even if I get the money, we are the legal heirs. But what is the use if my mother doesn't get get her husband's money, hard-earned money, and I get it? What is the use? Even that tricking will always be with me until I go, I pass away, because my mother doesn't see that. She doesn't enjoy my father's money. And this is not a personal experience. This is an experience of each and everybody. Whoever have kept the money. That is why, if immediately it cannot be solved, let them give something in a piecemeal manner, so that at least they can prolong, they can have some hopes, and do that whatever they get with money, they can utilize for their medical expenses, or their whatever problems they have got, at least they can use it. Simply seeing this in air, or in keeping this public in darkness, depositors in darkness, it doesn't solve any problem. Daily, actually the senior citizens especially, day by day they will get weakened. Physically and mentally they will normally they will get weakened. Along with this additional, they will further deteriorate.